used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge home office transformation. We've been using this room for storage / Will's little workspace that he can't really use anymore because it's gotten so cluttered in here. And I wanted to start by pulling everything out and organizing it into categories in the living room. And my husband helped me go through everything when he got home from work, and we were kind of forced to find a home for everything because this was our last little hiding place in our house where we could throw all of our junk. And trust me, if you give us an empty room, we are going to throw all of our junk in there and clutter it up in no time. So I was so glad to get this last little messy room tackled. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lauren, and I love making videos about decorating and cleaning and all things homemaking. So make sure to stick around and subscribe. And also, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But let's go ahead and get started.
Into the fire once more, into the burning flames once more, into the fray. But I swear we're gonna be okay.
My vision for this office space has kind of changed quite a bit since we moved in, mostly due to the fact that our other spare bedroom is now being transformed into a nursery for Oliver. And I knew I had to have 2 desks in here, one for each of us, and then just plenty of workspace for both of us to do our own thing and not get in the way of each other. So I went ahead and ordered 2 simple wood desks from Target, and I'm going to put one on either side of the room. And I really wanted this space to feel symmetrical and really simple, with a little bit of a rustic glam flair so that it would blend well with the rest of our house. And Will's workspace has a lot more technology going on, so I'm going to be doing a whole lot more decorating on my side of the room, but I did want to add a gold calendar on his side and my side to kind of tie the room together. And then as for my side, I don't have a desktop because I just use my MacBook for everything, so I wanted to hang a big beautiful mirror above my desk to give it some character. And all in all, this makeover costed us close to nothing because I used a lot of decor that I already had kind of hidden away in our storage. And then all we really needed were the desks and chairs, and the desks were only $170 from Target, and the chairs were $50 a pop on Amazon. So honestly, if you needed an office space for just one person, you could easily complete this whole project for right at $200, which is amazing. Home projects don't have to be expensive. I wanted to make sure I didn't break the bank with this one since we do have a baby on the way, so I decided to shop my own home first for the majority of the items we used in here.
Rain pouring, the sky is falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. But just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flames, once more into the fray. But I swear we're gonna be okay. Once more.
I truly didn't know what I was missing in having an office workspace. I've kind of just been using my couch and kitchen table to edit videos and do voiceovers, so when I finally sat down at my desk for the first time, my life was changed. I kept telling Will, this is such a game changer, and I don't know what it is about it, but I feel like every single person needs a space like this to get stuff done. The following morning after I built all of this, I was able to make some coffee and light a candle and just get tons of stuff done in total peace and quiet in this little corner, and I have never been happier.
Follow me out down to the bay.
always loved the look of a tufted desk chair, but most of them are crazy expensive. So I actually went on Amazon and found a set of 2 tufted kitchen chairs for $100 total, and they are actually so comfortable, and they made all the difference with the style I was going for. And I'm going to go ahead and link the desks and the chairs down below just in case you're interested. I felt super lucky with both of them because they were such a great price for such great quality. Now that I had my base for my workspace, it was time to decorate, and I always love decorating with gold decor, so I found these lamps in storage and thought they would look beautiful on these wood desks. And then I also had a TJ Maxx gift card, so I ran over there to see if they had any pretty gold office decor, and I found this beautiful mail basket for only $12.99, and I know it sounds silly, but I have always wanted a mail basket. Mail can be the cause of so much clutter in our house, so it felt really good to finally have a place for all of that. And then I also found these 2 simple gold calendars at Target for 12 bucks a piece.
Anchor our hearts and give us a fresh start. Wilderness, we've come for you. Like feathers in the wind, we dance along. Acting strong. Wilderness, we give you our mess. We're so
Now for Will's side of the office, he actually has 2 desktops and then his big computer that he built that he's so proud of. So I found a place for the 2 desktops, and then I actually purchased a ventilated metal monitor stand at TJ Maxx so that we could set that right below his desk to give him a lot more workspace. And he's really particular about all of his electronics, so I basically just put everything back like it was and let him plug it all back in later. And he ended up loving this transformation just as much as I did.
to have you.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnapped me.
Okay, to hide all of those cords, he actually has a ton of cords to hide. So I just pushed them up onto the top of the desktop behind his computers and then let them fall behind his computer down at the bottom so that you can't even see them. And I tucked them in between the desk and the computer on the floor, and so you can't even see them. And then that whole corner over there is actually open, and I may end up getting a little table either for that corner or in between the 2 windows to put our printer, because I didn't find a place for our printer in this video, but that is to come. I'm just using some in-dust computer wipes, and I'm going to wipe down both of his computers and his keyboard and just get that all looking good because they had been sitting in here for a long time collecting dust. And then we're going to hang some curtains. Okay, for these 2 windows, I wanted to add curtains in here, but I wanted them to be light filtering and really simple so that they don't take away from the simplicity of this room. So I found these little gold curtain rods at Walmart for 15 bucks a piece, and love those. They match the rest of the gold decor throughout the office. And then I picked up these curtains from TJ Maxx today, and they are really simple, just a little bit of gold detail at the top and then a beige little rope there, and then the rest of them is just white. So I think that's going to add the perfect little touch. So let's go ahead and hang those up.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time?
I love the way that those curtains came out, and now I'm just going to head back over to my desk to add a little bit more decor. I wanted to add some fall touches now that we're coming into August, so I found this picture of me and Will when we first got engaged, and I'm going to add that here in this little white and gold frame. And then my mom picked me up that coffee mug last year during fall, and so I went ahead and filled it with some pins. And then I also stocked up on some Bath & Body Works candles the other day during their sale. I picked up the pumpkin clove, the pumpkin caramel swirl, the leaves, and then one other one. And the one I decided to light in here today was pumpkin spice latte. Oh, maybe that's the one that I was missing. And it smells so good. It made the whole office smell amazing. And now we're just going to vacuum.
I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
I don't think I mentioned the fiddle leaf earlier, but if you've been around anytime at all, you know that that fiddle leaf's been in our living room for the longest time, but I recently replaced it with a lamp, so I just brought it back here into the office.
That I'm okay, it's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
And that's pretty much it for today's office makeover. I hope y'all enjoyed this transformation as much as we did. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I am now beginning to pull out all of my fall decor, and I'm going to have my first fall decorating video up next Sunday, so stay tuned for that. But thank y'all so much for watching today, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to do that before you go today. I would love to have you, and I hope y'all have an amazing week. Bye!